Hi, I'm Joey Sundberg. I'm the principal at Valley View Elementary School. The community. I was a teacher here for 10 years before leaving to go into administration, and when I came back 8 years later, I found the same general feeling that I had left. All the people, from parents to teachers to students, are genuinely happy to be here. Families are involved and work together with teachers and staff to create better student experiences here at Valley View. Teachers are caring and always focused on best outcomes for students. And this year we've undertaken a switch to a new teaching pedagogy, inquiry-based learning, which we're really excited about. And we're also including a shift towards more outdoor learning time, which has created a lot of excitement here at Valley View. Valley View believes in educating the whole child and really building what we call the Valley View family. Every class, every student from TK through 6th grade has music or dance with East Bay Center for Performing Arts. Every class, every student has visual arts with a dedicated art teacher in a dedicated art classroom. And every class, every student has time in our outdoor classroom with our science and nutrition teacher. Our teachers take our students on field trips to museums and shows and other real life experiences. The teachers at Valley View are the best. I'm just going to say that. They are the best. They express a lot of care towards each other, towards students. Intentional community building has happened here, which has allowed teachers to get to know each other and understand each other in a deeper way and how to support each other based on their needs. They're honest with each other, willing to work out any difficulties or challenges that come our way, very much like a family. And when it comes to supporting students, teachers at Valley View do everything they possibly can to help. Sometimes it might look like scheduling meetings to get appropriate support for students academically or social emotionally, but sometimes it just looks like keeping food in the fridge for students they know are coming in hungry. They're just here to do what they can to help their students do their best learning in the best environment they can create. Well, instruction is based on the California state standards, but we have moved towards an inquiry-based approach. So what we're trying to do is instill in students a sense of curiosity and wonder, because when you're curious, that's when you learn. And inquiry-based learning is really putting the students at the center. So less teacher talk, more student talk. We're striving to have students, find their own answers, actually. Teachers answer questions with questions, leading students to do some more critical thinking and investigations on their own. Teachers become more of a guide as opposed to the sage on the stage, as the saying goes, imparting their knowledge. We're also trying to create more time for students to do learning outdoors, as I've mentioned. Outdoor learning is so beneficial. I have studies I won't bore you with for mental health, behavior, and academics. But honestly, students who struggle most in the classroom thrive when you add more time outdoors. And that's what we want, is our students to thrive. What we have at Valley View is special. The outdoor space, the sense of community with families, parents, and staff. It's something you feel right away when you walk on campus. It's personal connections, it's the relationships between staff members, between teachers and students. We believe in educating the whole child, creating a sense of curiosity and providing rich learning experiences, hopefully fostering a lifelong love of learning.